Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the color filter in Paralives. Let's begin by opening Settings. Then navigate to Accessibility. Here under Effects is the color filter option. As you can see, it is set to default, but you can set it to some serious filters like color blindness filters 1 through 6, but there are also some filters that are more well, I guess fun, less serious. There is the black and white filter, the Fisheye filter, alternate reality, boost fade, Instagram, autumn, cinematic Mexico, expired 69, faded look, faded print, 70s magazine, warm vintage, solarized, green director, sepia, retro fade, moonlight, dream, brownish, etc, etc. There are a lot of fun color filters, so there is a way to make the game look different and unique for you. Once you are happy with the filter, I will set it back to default, close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.